YouTube. I figured I'd make a video on my 03 F-150 on the coder intake. If you just installed a coder intake like me, and you hear that humming noise, like, it'll kind of get on your nerves a little bit. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. When you get a coder intake like this, it only comes with a tube like this, a line. So what you need to do is you need a IAC muffler, which is this right here. IAC muffler. You can usually get them on your truck, should have one. If not, you probably go buy one or go to the junkyard and get one. But I'm gonna show you what you'll do. We're gonna pull this off. We're gonna cut it to a certain length. Push this onto that right there, to this, and connect it to this hose. And I will be back with, I'm gonna cut it and then put it on there, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll just pull the hose off. It's right here. Slide this thing. Just slide it on. Slide it on like that. Alright, it's on there. I'm gonna do some custom work to making it fit properly. Maybe you shouldn't cut it. Maybe we should put it on about like that. I'm gonna test it like this, guys. There you go, guys. That's the finished product. It might look a little bit funny, but hey, it gets rid of the humming noise. A lot of people delete these, and it'll hum with the factory intake. So, I hope this video helps, guys, and hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm gonna try to get a startup video for y'all and see how it sounds. But if I don't, I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, guys, I got my keys, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a startup video. I should have did it before and after showing up, but he came in my phone connected to my radio. But I was trying to get a before. I should have got a before video, but if y'all came to this video, you know what it sounds like, and that's why you're on the video and you're annoyed of it. But this right here definitely fixed the whine and humming thing. Hope you guys like, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one.